how to delete contacts on Apple Watch. So if you want to delete some contacts on your Apple Watch and then delete them on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete contacts on Apple Watch, all you just need to do is go to your Apple Watch app menu by pressing the 2 crown once to exit the wallpaper page or the home screen. While on the app menu, just scroll down the page and then locate contact. This button is the contact. Click on it. Then once you click on contact here, you're going to have access to all your contacts on your Apple Watch. Now, to delete the contact on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is locate the contact you want to delete and then click on it. Once you click on the contact, use the 2 crown to scroll down. And here, you should say block contact or delete contact. So go ahead and click on delete contact. Then a pop-up will appear. On the pop-up, locate and click on delete contact to delete the selected contact on your Apple Watch. Then you should see the contact deleted. Now, you want to repeat the same thing on all other contacts you want to delete on your Apple Watch. So let's scroll down as well and see. Then let's say this particular contact, this one, click on it, scroll down again, tap delete contact, and then click on delete contact. You see that? The contact will be deleted on your Apple Watch. So that is basically how to delete contacts on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.